The world isn't cruel to bad people. It's cruel to naive ones. The smartest person in the room isn't the one with the most degrees or the highest IQ. It's the one who understands how people actually work, not how they're supposed to work. And the crazy part? Everything you need to know about human nature was written down 500 years ago by a man who'd just been tortured, imprisoned, and thrown out of his own government. His name was Niccolo Machiavelli, and the book he wrote is still one of the most banned, most feared, and most misunderstood texts in history. Today I'm breaking down 7 of his most ruthless principles, the ones that don't just make you smart, they make you hard to fool, hard to manipulate, and hard to keep down.